the difference between IMO, like Master Cho's recipe, IMO 1, 2, 3, 4, what I call, seed IMO, propagated, activated IMO, those are always soil based. They're always staying dry land. They're always staying like what would happen if microbes are growing on land. The difference with Jadam is you're taking those microbes that are land based, you're putting them into water. So you're taking what, like, imagine they're goats because they're on the land. You put them into water, they become dolphins. Then you're putting those dolphins back onto your land, so they got to re-evolve to become goats again. So you're asking the biology to go from land-based to water-based back to land-based. So imagine a goat going to a dolphin, going back to a goat. It's not going to work the same as Master Cho is saying a goat, a goat, a goat. Like you're gonna have stronger. I'm just using a goat as an animal. Pick any land-based animal, maybe monkey, a monkey, a monkey, a monkey, a water monkey, a monkey. But so those things going back and forth, it oftentimes the Jadam microbe solution is not actually the biology you want. What they end up being is more like prebiotics. And what they do is they feed the biology that is there. So imagine I take a goat and I throw it in the ocean. It's going to break down and all that ocean life is going to eat it and grow. And then I take those ocean life, like the fish and the dolphins, and I put them onto the land. They're going to break down and rot, and they're going to feed bears and all kinds of, pigs, and in my case, mongoose, and all kinds of animals that are land-based. And so as opposed to taking something that's from here and putting it there, it's more like it feeds what's in the other situation. So the JMS itself, the Jadam microbe solution, is not, you're not going to get as good of results as you are with Master Cho's IMOs. However, in terms of difficulty, Jadam microbe solution is like anybody can do it. You take some potatoes, grind them up, throw them in water, take some dirt that's nice and balled up, throw it in, and throw in some sea salt in water and let that go. It's like, how can you mess that up? Versus if you go Master Cho's method, it's like you got to get these microbes. They got to be the right looking ones that you get. You got to, cultivate it from a great place, bring it. And then you have to, hang on one sec. I got to do something right here. This hard drive is going to shut off otherwise. Okay. So if you don't do that transition, that's the difference between those. That's what I'm trying to bring into your mindset here, is that those things of how they work. So hopefully that was clear. I kind of got distracted midway through that. It's interesting to try to produce the show and answer the questions and do all this at once. I think most people have help, but I seem to be stubborn. I'm a wood ox, so I'm stubborn on that. Oh no, that just shut down. I didn't want that to happen. Okay. Okay.